Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create game handles on Netflix. Creating a game handle on Netflix is a quite straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in netflix.com in the URL box and sign into your account. After you are logged into your Netflix account, mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right and click on Manage Profiles. After clicking Manage Profiles, go ahead and select the profile where you'd like to create or change a game handle. Click the pencil button right in the profile and this will open up the Edit Profile section. Right under Edit Profile, click on Create Game Handle option under Game Handle. Type in the game handle you'd like to create and after you are done, scroll all the way down and click on Save. Right after you do that, you will be able to create your game handle on Netflix. Once created the handle, it'll be used across the Netflix games that supports game handles and you can enjoy your gaming experience on Netflix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.